Alright, let's continue the video series about registers. I'm going to talk about today mixed voice. Mixed voice is basically a very comfortable way of singing you throughout the whole range. So for example, you can use mixed voice in the lower and in the higher register as well. Mixed voice can be used perfectly in pop music, R&B, jazz, Motown, but I wouldn't use it for rock. It's not as powerful than, for example, belting or chest voice. Again, depends how high the song is, but mixed voice is mainly used in pop music or R&B. The placement of the mixed voice is basically it's in the middle. So meanwhile, the chest voice here, the belting is here, head voice is here, falsetto is here, mixed voice is more here. The mixed voice path, I would say, is around the soft palate. But if you don't know where the soft palate is the back of the mouth, which raises when you yawn. That's soft part in the back. That's where the mixed voice going. So it's a very easy, very effortless way of singing.